Greetings, scholars. In this lesson, you will learn a division strategy called long division. It's also kind of like an old school strategy because myself and possibly some of your parents learned this division strategy. So this is we have our bigger number, 65, our division symbol 5, and then our smaller number 5. But when you do this strategy called long division, you set up your smaller number on the outside, put your division symbol here, kind of looks like a sideways L, and you put your bigger number on the inside. So for this, there's one thing you might want to try to remember: father, mother, sister, brother. You're going to see how many fit into, then you're going to multiply, then you're going to subtract, and then you're going to bring down what you still are left with. So let's see what this means. How many 5s fit into 6? Well, let's count by 5s. 5, 10. Only one group, so this is too high. So one group. So we're going to put our 1 here. 1 times 5 is 5. Now we're multiplying. So we said how many 5s fit into 6? 1. Then you go 1 times 5. One group of 5 is 5. Subtract. 6 minus 5 is 1. Now we have to bring down. Well, what do we bring down? This 5. How many 5s fit into 15? Well, let's keep our skip counting going. 5, 10, 15. 1, 2, 3. So we're going to put our 3 up here. And now we're going to multiply. 3 times 5 is 15. And this 15 is from up here. So you have to rewrite 15. And you subtract. 15 minus 15 is 0. So your answer is 13, and look, there's no remainder. So let's put a 13 here. Let's try it one more time. And I'm going to use this kind of as our guide here. How many fit into, multiply, subtract, bring down. Sorry, had to get that straight. So now we're going to set up our smaller number on the outside, bigger number on the inside, and we're going to ask ourselves how many 6s divide or fit into 8. So we're going to skip count by 6s. 6, 12. So that's too high. So one group. So we're going to put our 1 right here. 1 times 6 is 6. You subtract now. We're on the subtract. 8 minus 6 is 2. Now what do we do? Bring down. What do we bring down? The next number here, the 0. Put your arrow, bring down your 0. Now we have to start all over. Go back into fit into. How many 6s fit into 20? Well, let's see. 6, 12, 18, 24. Well, that's too high. So 1, 2, 3 groups. Where do we write the 3? At the top. And we did 3, so we just fit into. Now we have to multiply. 3 times 6 is 18. You write your 18, and then you have 20 minus 8. Can you do 0 minus 8? No, borrow from the 2, make it a 1. This becomes 10. 10 minus 8 is 2, and 1 minus 1 is 0, so you don't have to write the 0 if it's in the front. So your answer is 13 with a remainder of 2. So let's write 13 remainder of 2. And that is the long division strategy for multiplication. For division.